So, getting ready for my trip. We leave tomorrow for Edinburgh, Scotland. And if we want to not buy an extra bag for, I don't know, like 30 bucks, we have to make do with just a backpack pretty much. The dimensions are 40 centimeters, which this is like slightly over maybe, but if like I just do that, it might be okay. By like 20 centimeters, so that's like 9 inches or something, I think. It should be about that, I think. I think this is like 8 inches, so I'm not entirely sure. I might be cutting it. It might be, maybe I'll get charged. Who knows? And then by like 25. Actually, yeah, so like 9 inches this way, that'll do. And then it's like 25, so that's like 10 inches or something. 12, I'm not sure. It's not a good shape though, because really what you want is a rectangular prism, not this like rounded shape, because I'm missing out on a lot of real estate here, and then there's some on the sides, and then all the space in the middle taken up by backpack. But it's what I have. So I'm going to make do with one pair of pants and a shirt, and I will bring underwear and socks for each time. I will not spend time washing them in the sink, but this is like the bare essentials. I have a few more things I need to add, but I have space for it right here. Like my charger for my laptop, cables and stuff like that, power adapter, and then like soap, bar soap and shampoo. And then there's a few nice to haves, like a face towel separate from my drying towel. But like really it's 4 days, I could deal without that. I'm considering bringing my rain pants. I probably won't deal with that. But right now I got toiletries, laptop, that's about it in there. Water bottle, underwear, and socks rolled up. Got a deck of cards in here. Battery, my glasses, I might take those out. That'll take a bit of space. Also, there's no deodorant or like my toothbrush charger. I'm gonna deal without that. Hair paste, floss. I could pack floss. So, that's what I'm looking at. It's gonna be tight, but it's kind of fun. Alright, we got tickets to see Big Time Rush. I'm supposed to leave and pack for Scotland and do some homework before, but this is more important. I'm so excited. This is gonna be my second time going. Very pumped. For this time I'll actually appreciate it. Alright, heading out to the airport. I'm deciding to bike, because it's not that wet. Going to Scotland in a minute. Very exciting. Alright, just locked up. That's my bike. They're blinking. Yeah, I just like the idea of biking to the airport. So cool. I mean, you only have one bag, so it's doable, but anyway, I'm kind of a little closer than normal today because it's kind of lower stakes, just for leisure, just myself and, you know, other people, but they're not counting on me. And it's so cheap, so not as big a deal, but I gotta get over it. That's probably it. They're leaving right now. Oh, that's cool.
Get him out like, hey dude.
Alright, this is us here. Right here. Alright.